few years, I have noticed that there is something remarkable happening in India. And we should all acknowledge it and celebrate it, because I think the more we acknowledge that and celebrate it, the more people will join this movement of participative citizenship, of individuals who are exposed to or witness something that really bothers them, disturbs them, upsets them, angers them, and they refuse to be fence sitters and finger pointers. They get up and they say, how can I change this? And Shrishti is one of them. And her whole team is one of them. And like her, whether it's in the sphere of environmental work, whether it's conservation, whether it's air pollution, whether it's water sanitation, whether it is children's rights, human rights, women's rights, there are just these exemplary human beings who have given up lucrative careers, successful jobs, and said, I'm going to get into this and I'm going to change it because enough is enough. And I'm so lucky that I'm surrounded by these amazing people. I keep getting to meet them. I'm inspired by them. I'm motivated by them. And much of what I do is exactly for the same reason. You know, I keep getting asked, Charles, that
Great.
You're an actor, producer, how do you find the time to do all of this other work? And I'm like, are you kidding me? How can I not do this? Because it really bothers me. It bothers me that we are in the 21st century. We have an aspiration for 11% growth, and we have over 2 million children living in street situations. We have 14 of the most polluted cities in the world in India. We have so many problems that affect your life and my life, and our health, our children's health, the health of our elderly. And we have to start acknowledging and addressing that these problems exist, and then of course become a part of the change and fix it. And I think you guys are awesome.
जब मैं छोटी थी तो मेरे पिताजी ने 6:30-7 बजे का डेडलाइन रखते थे कि घर उसके बाद अलाउड नहीं है to be outside the house. And the primary reason back in the day was अच्छी घर की लड़कियाँ इस वक्त के बाद बाहर नहीं रहती. It wasn't safety. कुछ हो जाएगा बच्चे को. Now, luckily over the years वो mentality बदली है कि अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ काम करती हैं, बाहर जाती हैं, बाहर रहती हैं. But उसकी जगह अब with technology, and that's the minus side of it. इतना information आ गया है, मगर उस information को कैसे समझें, उसको कैसे adapt करें वो नहीं आता. तो उसमें अब टेक्नोलॉजी का गलत फ़ायदा उठाया जा रहा है, सही नहीं. And she did that. She took it to the road right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and she educated people. Everybody doesn't have to do that. That's not what this is about. मगर ये फाइनेंस सेक्टर से हैं, तो इन्होंने क्या सोचा कि मैं ये पूरे रास्ते जाती हूँ और रास्ते में जितने बच्चों से, औरतों से, आदमी से मिलूँ, मैं उनको फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट बना सकूँ, ताकि वो घर बैठे टेक्नोलॉजी इस्तेमाल करके कमा सकें और अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो सके. She used what she knew. Brilliantly done. And my hats off to her father, who's also here today. He encouraged her and supported her through this entire walk. See, that's a man that I believe is an Indian man.